Here's the quick way to cancel your Amazon Prime membership on your phone. Open up the Amazon app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the account icon, looks like a person. You'll come to this screen, tap your account, and then scroll down until you come to Manage Prime Membership. It's right at the center of the screen there. And then there's a drop-down menu, Manage Membership, tap that, and then select Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and More. Now, just for your information, basically Amazon will throw up all these roadblocks to try to convince you not to cancel your membership. So you have to click through a bunch of screens to do that. For instance, they're giving you some options here to pause membership, but I want to end membership. And then they're going to say, hey, you still have 243 days left to enjoy your Prime membership. I'm going to keep on continuing on. And basically, you just have to go through all these screens to continue canceling your membership. And eventually, you'll get to it. You can get a refund, choose which option that you want, and then end membership now. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me. See you next time.